Well, getting this one all sanded up. Getting it to fit nicely in my hand. Either way. And this one here is starting to come out. My dad says, it's kind of thick, isn't it? And I'm like, yeah. Got a big booger on the top. It's being fixed. It'll sand out and hide. Had another split here too, but it doesn't show too bad. And then I've still got to set the lock and stuff in, and a little fixing around that. Yeah, here's the lock. And it fits in pretty tight, but I got a void here. Another void. I think I'll just do it in silver. Still have to make the brass butt plate and foreplate and a side plate. And oh shit, I got things. And sand those dents out now. Cool. Later.